Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an amazing reusable napkin, you have got to check out these ones from Indie by Kishu Baby. So I've been using cloth napkins for decades, and I'm used to just like the one-ply ones that they don't really absorb anything. They just kind of keep the food off of you. These GOTS muslin napkins are the cream of the crop as far as fabric napkins go. First off, they're super absorbent. So I just washed them once when I got them, and right off the bat, they were already absorbing wonderfully. But the more that I wash them, the more absorbent they get, and they just work so amazing. So I've actually started using these as washcloths and just for mopping up things around the kitchen in addition to using them as cloth napkins. I love the versatility of this because I can use one thing for multiple things in the kitchen. I love that these are so soft that I can use them on my nonstick pans without worrying that they're going to get scratched. These are so well made. They're 3-ply, and like I said, you can tell right off the bat that they are just superior quality. They are well finished by an overlock machine, and they're handmade in India. I got the 12-pack, and I had to share half of them with my mom because I knew that she would love them too, and she absolutely does. These are perfect for putting in a lunch bag to take with you, or just using at home, of course. I'm just very impressed with how beautifully made they are, how durable they are, and just how well they work. The napkins do have a care tag on it, and if you don't want that, it's perforated so you can easily just rip it off. I am very impressed with Kishu Baby's business practices. I love the products that I'm using of theirs, and that's my point of view.